Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a unique and luxurious take on a classic American van, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper. Whether you're hitting the road for a long weekend or just want a premium travel experience, this vehicle redefines what it means to camp in comfort and style. Let's take a closer look at what makes this model stand out. On the exterior, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper holds onto its iconic, boxy silhouette but with a modernized touch. Sleek LED headlights, a reworked chrome grille, and blacked-out trim details give it a bold and commanding road presence. Extended length and high roof conversion options make the body more functional while adding a luxury shuttle vibe. Custom alloy wheels and subtle body lines add to its clean yet upscale appearance, letting everyone know this isn't just your average van. Inside, the limo camper balances practicality with high-end comfort. Leather captain chairs, ambient lighting, a compact kitchenette, and integrated smart screens create a refined atmosphere. Despite its size, space is used efficiently with fold-out beds, storage cabinets, and a mini bathroom setup. The cabin feels more like a rolling hotel suite than a typical camper van. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana Limo Camper comes with a 6.6L V8 gas engine, offering smooth yet robust performance for highway cruising and uphill climbs alike. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the van maintains decent fuel efficiency for its size while delivering reliable torque and a confident drive. Optional all-wheel drive helps tackle more challenging terrain, making this vehicle as functional as it is luxurious. On the safety side, GMC has upgraded the limo camper with modern driver assistance tech. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. Multiple airbags and reinforced frame design ensure added protection, especially during long-distance travel or unexpected road conditions. What truly sets the 2026 Savana Limo Camper apart are its unique selling points. This van is essentially a private jet on wheels, ideal for families, business travel, or even luxury rentals. The blend of utility and elegance, plus the ability to fully customize interior layouts, makes it highly attractive for those seeking flexibility and comfort. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. As for the price, the base model starts around $95,000, but with premium conversions and upgrades, it can easily reach upwards of $140,000 depending on your build. While it's definitely an investment, the features and freedom it offers make it well worth considering for those serious about life on the road. In conclusion, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Camper is more than just a van, it's a statement. With its striking design, solid performance, top-tier safety, and unmatched luxury features, it bridges the gap between rugged travel and first-class comfort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next review.